In recent days, Shiba Inu has been experiencing a decline in popularity, leaving many to question whether this is the end for the breed. Furthermore, as skepticism increased, the development team unveiled an entirely unanticipated feature. A member of their team divulged a significant revelation that has the potential to completely alter your viewpoint on Shiba Inu. There is an impending moment of profound change that requires you to abandon all that you thought you knew. Therefore, let us not squander a moment of this video and proceed immediately to the point. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Much investor apprehension has been generated in the realm of Shiba Inu due to the recent market volatility. The community was ecstatic as values rose for 4 consecutive days, only to observe a precipitous cessation to the upward trend. However, what lies beneath the surface? In order to solve the enigma, our focus must be directed towards the transparent domain of on-chain data. Thus, a handful of significant whale transactions have sent shockwaves through the Shiba Inu community amidst this market volatility. Over $5 million worth of 167 billion Shiba Inu tokens were exchanged in a single transaction over the past 5 days, representing an astounding 200 billion Shiba Inu tokens that were transmitted to exchanges in a single day. Not to be surpassed, Robinhood received an astounding 1.25 trillion Shiba Inu on March 4, which was valued at over $40 million. The surge in whale activity observed in conjunction with the discernible decline in the Shiba Inu price chart suggests a coherent storyline. The whales are presumably leveraging the recent surges in price to secure their financial gains. The data provides substantial evidence that a considerable proportion of whales sold their holdings, thereby causing a noticeable disruption in market dynamics. At this time, not only whales but also other individuals are selling their Shiba Inu. Additionally, the regular investors do so. We are unable to assign responsibility to them for this. Upon closer examination of the on-chain data, a notable transformation in the circumstances of Shiba Inu owners becomes apparent. An astounding 84% of Shiba Inu owners were in a profitable position following the recent price increase, which represents a significant milestone. Upon reflection of the previous 2 years, the majority of holders experienced losses, with 80% in the red less than a year ago. This was a discouraging reality for the entire Shiba Inu community. Nevertheless, the situation has since changed, and investors are now securing the benefits of their perseverance. Imagine the arduous journey that began with investors, characterized by uncertainty, doubt, and financial losses. Shiba Inu token holders maintained their holdings despite skepticism, persevering through the project's ups and downs on the strength of their steadfast faith in its potential. Furthermore, transitioning to the present, it is an instance of success. A year after experiencing disillusionment and skepticism, the same community is presently bearing the fruition of their long-term investment. The significance extends beyond the numerical values presented in a chart. It is a moment of redemption and triumph for those who had the courage to believe in the potential of a Shiba Inu when times were at their darkest. In conjunction with the recent price increases, this surge in profitability has prompted an onslaught of selling as investors seek to secure their diligently earned profits. The emotive transformation from financial loss to profit serves as a symbol of the Shiba Inu community's tenacity and optimism, in addition to being a financial transaction. Furthermore, I would like to present something intriguing. Smaller investors generally choose to divest the majority of their Shiba Inu holdings. However, giants adopt a different approach when profit-driven opportunities present themselves. Consider, for example, the previously mentioned enormous whale, which over the past 5 days facilitated an astounding transfer of 200 billion Shiba Inu tokens to exchanges. Unbelievably, this enormous transaction, which is equivalent to an astounding $5 million, only accounts for a small portion of the whale's enormous holdings. They still possess a staggering $2.8 trillion Shiba Inu, which is valued at approximately $87 million. This peculiar conduct implies that the whales, although engaging in profit-seeking strategies, are only superficially examining their Shiba Inu possessions. This could indicate that they acknowledge the long-lasting potential of Shiba Inu, yet opt to navigate the market with prudence. By choosing to progressively secure profits amidst the ongoing pump, they demonstrate a strategic approach. Considering the inherent unpredictability of market peaks and troughs, it is a prudent course of action. Additionally, there is a point that you ought to comprehend. Achieving precise timing of the market presents a significant obstacle. The precise apex or apex of market dynamics cannot be determined due to the multitude of unforeseeable factors that drive them. By adopting a cautious approach and gradually increasing their investments, these whales are circumventing the risks associated with endeavoring to predict the unexpected. The market's inherent volatility is being managed strategically, and the titans appear to be planning their actions with long-term gains in mind. Moreover, despite whales exercising caution in their selling tactics, the quantities they are selling remain substantial. There are currently insufficient customers to withstand this tremendous selling pressure. As a consequence, Shiba Inu prices have decreased over the past few days. In essence, the markets are striving for equilibrium, but the imbalance between consumers and sellers is resulting in a decline in price. Dip. Notwithstanding their astute marketing tactics, whales continue to maintain a substantial portion of their Shiba Inu collections. Just consider the matter. Whales would not possess Shiba Inu worth millions of US dollars if they did not recognize the coin's potential. That is illogical to say the least. Consequently, what does this indicate about the Shiba Inu's future? What is the consensus among analysts regarding the present state of affairs? Furthermore, what recent announcement has the Shiba Inu development team issued concerning this price decline and the future of the coin? To discover the solutions to these urgent inquiries, remain seated and continue observing. The narrative of the Shiba Inu saga continues to be increasingly complex. Consequently, I believe it is critical to investigate what traders and on-chain data are speculating regarding a possible revival for Shiba Inu in the wake of the recent market correction. The credibility of the expectation of a recovery is enhanced when we utilize the insights derived from sentiment analysis of social data. As per the behavior analytics source, market participants exhibit a marked degree of optimism regarding the potential resurgence of the Shiba Inu. This sentiment transcends mere aspirational reasoning. It is based on empirical evidence and indicates a strong anticipation of recovery, especially in comparison to alternative assets. However, what continues to inspire this optimism? An examination of social media conversations pertaining to Shiba Inu reveals an increase in positive references to Shiba. However, the narrative continues. This price increase was accompanied by a market capitalization increase that surpassed $20 billion, the greatest level since December 2021. To put this into perspective, as of February 6, the market for Shiba Inu was a modest $5 billion. It unexpectedly amassed $15 billion in the course of a single month. The exceptional expansion has reignited investor hope in the Shiba Inu industry, fostering assurance in its possible revival. However, the value of the coin has decreased by 14% over the last 48 hours. However, this is merely the opinion of a few analysts. Although expert analysis can offer valuable insights, it is possible that hearing directly from the official Shiba Inu development team would be more enlightening. Attending to the perspective of an analyst is not unwise. Based on market data and historical trends, it is capable of providing well-informed perspectives. Nevertheless, in comprehending the prospective course of a cryptocurrency, one could not do better than consult with the architects who are currently charting its course. Consider it in this manner. Would one exclusively depend on a map crafted by an external observer while traversing a dense forest? Ultimately, would you rather receive direction from an individual who is profoundly acquainted with the terrain, including its complexities, obstacles, and concealed rewards? Developers are comparable to guides in the cryptocurrency universe, as they are intimately familiar with the complexities of their creation. Therefore, although expert evaluations do possess value, obtaining information from the official Shiba Inu development team may provide a more precise depiction of forthcoming developments. A couple of hours ago, Lucy, a member of the team, disseminated some noteworthy information. Anticipate the announcement of the Big Spring Space Bull Run event, which will feature a prize purse for all participants. This disclosure goes far beyond a mere glance into the team's strategies. The potential ramifications for the Shiba Inu market are substantial. When a bull run event is mentioned, inquiries regarding its potential influence on the trajectory of the coin inevitably arise. Might this disclosure serve as a robust pre-sale signal for an impending surge in value? Based on the terminology employed, Big Spring Spaces, Bull Run, it appears that the development team is not solely sanguine, but also potentially indicating a bullish market sentiment. Such occasions, particularly when orchestrated by the official team, possess the ability to infuse fervor within the Shiba Inu community and, as a result, impact market dynamics. As further information becomes available and potential ramifications are examined, it becomes apparent that the Shiba Inu expedition is positioned to undergo intriguing progressions. However, what are your thoughts on that? Leave a comment below. I would greatly appreciate reading your perspectives.